Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about the population density. In last classes related to world population, we also discuss about the population density. And here we discuss population density in reference of India. First of all, what is the population? What is the population density? The ratio between the total population and the total region. The ratio between the total population and the total area is called the population density. It's called the population density. The ratio between the total population and the total area, that is called the population density, and it expressed in person per square kilometer. इसे किसमें express करते हैं? In person per square kilometer. Person per square kilometer. Clear? And in India, here the low populations before the 20th century, the low population density before the 20th century. After the in the 20th century, here the population density is increased day by day, and now the present time also the population density it increased. And here the major problem related to the population density and the population growth in India. In 1901, here population density 77% per square kilometer, and increase in 1951. According to census 1951, 117% per square kilometer. In 2001, 325% per square kilometer, and according to census 2011, the population density increase and 382% per square kilometer. So here day by day here increase the population density in India. And highest population density found in which state? Bihar. The highest population density found in Bihar, 1102 1102 person per square kilometer population density of the Bihar, highest population density in India. And number 2 West Bengal. West Bengal highest number 2 है ना, number 2 position for population density 1029 person per square kilometer. And the lowest population density found in Arunachal Pradesh. 17% per square kilometer. 17% per square kilometer. And Union Territories, the highest population density found in the Union Territories, Delhi, 11,297 per square kilometer. And the lowest population density found in the Union Territories, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Approx 46% per square kilometer. 46% per square kilometer. So here the population density found uneven in India. We can classify the population of the India according to population density. On the basis of population density, India can be divided into three region. First, here areas of high density, where the population density found 500% per square kilometer. Areas of medium density, where the population density found 300 to 500% per square kilometer. Or areas of low population density, where the population density found less than 300% per square kilometer. Clear? First here areas of high density. So we have more than 500 person per square kilometer population density found. States include in this group like West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Tamil Nadu. This region is spread in the region Bihar, Haryana, Kerala, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal fertile. And what was the reason for here? Increase the population density. Here the fertile soil, plain agricultural land, availability of the water, development of industries are the main factors for here found the high population density in these states. Second is areas of medium density, approx 300% per square kilometer to 500% per square kilometer population density. These states are included in this category. This region is spread over Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Goa, Gujarat, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Punjab, Haryana, Eastern Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tripura. Due to rugged terrain and low availability of the water, agriculture is not well developed here. So medium. यहाँ पे well developed, not here the well developed, because here the for the irrigation, here the low water and the low condition for the development. So here found medium population density. And last here, areas of low population density. Areas of low population density where population density found less than 300% per square kilometer. These regions are included in areas of low population density. This region is spread over northern eastern Himalaya state mountain region. So here the found the low population because here the not favorable condition for the living. The plateau and the tribal areas of the Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha region also here found low population density because here the tribal region, here the forested region. So here found the low condition for the livings and here found low population density. Adverse physical condition, even uneven surface are the main factors to low population density found in these states: Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Odisha and the Karnataka. Clear? Here we discuss about the population density, and here population density and India can be divided in the three parts according to on the basis of the population density. Learn here according to census 2011, the highest population density found in the Bihar. 1102 person per square kilometer, and number 2 position of West Bengal according to population density in India. According to census 2011, West Bengal, here the population density found 1029 person per square kilometer, and the lowest population density found Arunachal Pradesh. Lowest population density found in Arunachal Pradesh 17 person per square kilometer. 17% per square kilometer. Or what is the definition of the population density? Here, ratio between the total population and the total region. Ratio between total population and the total region. Clear? And we can classify the India according to on the basis of population density in three parts. More than 500, where the population density found 500% per square kilometer, more than 500% per square kilometer. Here the fertile regions, and the developed, here the West Bengal, Bihar, UP, Haryana, Tamil Nadu states, and areas of medium density, approx 300 to 500% per square kilometer, where population density found in states include here Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana and the Andhra Pradesh. And areas of low density, जहाँ पे low density मिलती है approx less than 300, here the harsh condition for the living beings. And these region या states Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Odisha and Karnataka are included in this group areas of low population density.